Have you ever wondered what mysterious sounds echo through the deepest parts of the ocean? For decades, researchers have been puzzled by enigmatic noises from the abyss that remain unidentified. Some of these sounds are so unusual that they've earned intriguing names like the bloop, a powerful, low-frequency noise, and the whistle, a high-pitched, rhythmic sound. These noises are not only fascinating but also deeply puzzling. These mysterious sounds could originate from unknown marine creatures, underwater volcanic activity, or even human-made objects drifting in the ocean. Each hypothesis offers a different perspective, but none have been conclusively verified. Cutting-edge technology like deep-sea hydrophones and advanced submersibles help scientists capture these sounds, yet many remain unexplained. The quest to decode these noises is as much about exploring new frontiers as it is about understanding our planet's mysteries. As we delve deeper into these dark waters, the allure of these unexplained sounds highlights how much remains hidden beneath the surface. What do you think these sounds might be? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more insights into the ocean's hidden secrets.